Hi, HiArc EHR is a web-based electronic health record developed by Spectrum Software Solutions. The backend is Java-based technology and presentation layer is implemented using ExtJS 3.3 framework. Our current objective is to migrate from ExtJS version 3 to ExtJS version 5 so that touch devices like iPad, Android tablets and Windows 8 tablets can be supported. The purpose of this video is to give a walkthrough on the various components of ExtJS used in this application. We log in using a provider's user ID. This is a typical calendar application in ExtJS 3.3 examples. We have done some customization and integrated it for patient appointment scheduling. To start an encounter, we click on one of the appointments, and this is another component that we have used. It has got drop downs, the date, the time, fields, the patient. And to proceed on the encounter, we click on Encounter button. This is another component that we have used. Here we have a component where to add a referring physician, we can add referring physicians from a list using the arrow marks, select and add them, and those referring physicians come here. So this is another component. This is the main encounter form, and this encounter form consists of many components of ExtJS. It's got text boxes, it has got grids. These are some of the few components that have been used here. Click on the next button, we can see this is another component. These are some other components, and in this there are some components which have got editable fields. We'll show you one of them. When we record a problem, after recording the problem is listed here, and this is an editable field. See, you can change the status from active to resolved or inactive. Here we're just canceling it. So this is an editable field, but all the other components are read-only. For example, we are adding a procedure here. Now this procedure is just a read-only, it's not editable, whereas this one is an editable field. We'll just walk you through some of the other components that have been used here. One is this, it gives a patient visit summary. Similarly, we have a patient summary. In this, again, these components are all read-only, but this one is an editable field. Here you can change the status from active to inactive by selecting the dates. All the others, like the medication and the diagnostic results, are also read-only. The problem list again is just a report. Patient list is where you can do a search. You can give multiple conditions and search the patients based on those conditions. Similar is the reminder list. These are all various components that have been used of ExtJS. This is a growth chart. The growth chart is an ExtJS component that uses Adobe Flash Player. Now the problem that we have seen is that this particular growth chart does not work on iPad and on other tablets. So that's another issue that we would like to get fixed when we migrate it from version 3 to version 5. This is a component to view the patient charts. We'll just show you one of the charts. On this side that you see is the ExtJS's another component, which is the tree grid. And we select the chart, and the chart is listed here. This is again another component of ExtJS. We have a cover letter, which is again a component. And when we click on here, we already have a cover letter which is made. So the cover letter pops up. So these pop-ups are also various components. To show you some other components, we just log out and we log in as the admin here. We go to user. Change password is a component where this is where the passwords could be changed. Another component that has been used is where we set the privileges, the roles for the users. So these are checkboxes, and then after selecting the roles that need to be assigned to a particular user, we click on OK and those roles get assigned. So this is a component that has been used here. Rest of the things are similar, straightforward forms. We go to settings to show another one where we have a drag and drop feature. Now this again is an editable field. And another thing that we have is this can be dragged and dropped. So the display order can be changed. You can select a particular one and drag and drop it at another point. So basically these are the various components that we have used in HiArc. The components are of ExtJS 3 version. And as we said, our objective is to upgrade this to ExtJS 5 so that the touch devices are also enabled. We hope that this video gives you an idea of the various components that have been used. If you need any more clarifications, please feel free to contact us. Many of the other technical details are also included in the technical specification document that's being sent along with this video. Thank you very much.